We know that plumbing fixtures can fail, and it's not a matter of if, but when. The result can be inches of water building up around your home in a matter of minutes, creating weeks of cleanup and costly repairs. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated smart leak detectors on the market. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option to keep your home dry. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Drop Connect Leak Detector. If you're suffering from expensive water bills, decreased water pressure, or constant leaks in your plumbing, the Drop Leak Detector promises to solve all that with the most technically advanced system on the market. This low-profile device can be installed in places around your home where you're most likely to have a problem, such as your sinks, toilets, water softeners, or filters. With several drop leak detectors around your house, you then connect them to the Drop Hub Water Management System, where they can detect water, leaks, or burst pipes and alert you automatically through the mobile app. These devices can also monitor temperatures and notify you of any significant drop, so you can prevent frozen pipes. But you also have the option to configure the leak detectors, so they shut off your water supply automatically if the temperature drops. What makes this smart leak detector system extra efficient is the convenience of having all the information sent to your mobile phone through the Drop app and Drop Hub, where all the detectors can be connected. This makes it easier to monitor problems and address them before things get worse. The Drop Connect leak detector is known to be sensitive enough to detect even the smallest traces of water. It even has a long flow notification feature, where you'll be notified if a sink has been running water longer than you desire, so you can save on water. Pros: low-profile devices can be concealed. It's efficient in detecting even the smallest leaks. It connects to Smart Hub to monitor everything on your smartphone. Long flow notification to alert if a sink is left on or toilet is running. It directly connects to water softener or filter to keep track of salt levels, filter changes, or valve malfunctions. And it can automatically shut off your water to prevent further damage. The cons are that it is a more premium-priced option, and it needs to be used with the Drop Hub, and the initial programming can be time-consuming, but worth it. Our runner-up is the Moen Flow Smart Water Detector. The Flow by Moen Smart Water Detector tops the list for best smart water leak detectors on the market, because it's one of the most responsive detectors for leaks, power, and connectivity problems. One of the biggest benefits of this device is that it's battery-powered, so you can place it in areas when there's no access to an electrical outlet. The droplet-shaped main device has probes that you can connect to your pipes. These pipes will monitor leaks as small as a drop per minute on a daily basis using its micro-leak technology. You can also connect the device to the Flow Smart Water Shutoff system that will automatically turn off your home's water supply when it detects a leak to prevent more damage and waste. But you also have the option to do it manually through the app. The device is also with Google Assistant and Alexa through a Wi-Fi connection. The Moen Smart Water Detector also allows you to monitor your daily water consumption, so you can find ways to conserve water. And if you want extra security, you can apply for a Flow Protect Plan upgrade, where you get to enjoy a live smart water assistant, a 5-year extended warranty, and a We Pay $5,000 deductible guarantee. The pros are that it's highly efficient water leak detection and notification. It monitors humidity and water temperature levels, and it can be connected to the Flow by Moen Smart Valve Shutoff system to prevent water waste in case of leaks. The cons are it's a more expensive system, and the water shutoff capability is separate. At number 3 is the Wasserstein Water Sensor for Flood and Leak Detection. Efficient, compact, and convenient, the Wasserstein Smart Wi-Fi Water Sensor for Flood and Leak Detection has everything that you'd want in a good water leak detector. For starters, this device is small and compact enough that you can easily fit it between the tiniest of gaps. You can place a water detector in your basement, near your water heaters, refrigerator, or washing machine. The Wasserstein water sensor is also designed for plug and play. Unlike other water sensors where you need to enroll to a hub or subscribe to a service, you simply need to connect this device to a Wi-Fi network. Download the Wasserstein app and you're good to go. This water sensor is also very convenient to install. You just need to mount the base on the wall and connect the device to a power source. But you also have the option to power it through a battery to place it under your sink or tank. The Wasserstein can give you real-time updates on temperatures and humidity based on your set levels. And if there are leakages, the alarm will instantly ring for 30 seconds to alert you. This device is also less expensive than other detectors with the same features, making it a good investment if you're working with a budget. The pros are its easy connectivity without the need for a hub. its compact and sleek design, and the smart alert notification via the mobile app. The cons? It doesn't have as broad of features as the top-rated leak detectors. At number 4 is the Samsung SmartThings water leak sensor. Known for its durable smart products, Samsung has also created its own water leak sensor that's powered by its SmartThings hub. The Samsung SmartThings water leak sensor is designed to be minimalist enough that it can be placed under your washing machine, fridge, sink, and toilets, where it can detect extra moisture or water and notify you through your phone. This device also has a sensor that monitors temperature and alerts you through a siren or light-up sign whenever it detects any changes in temperatures or moisture in sensitive areas in your house. You can also program your connected smart devices to the SmartThings hub to automatically shut down to prevent electrocution and further water damage in case you have water leak problems in the house. The Samsung SmartThings water leak sensor is also powered by a battery that can last for up to 1 year, so you don't need to worry about having access to a power outlet. Best of all, it comes with 1 year of service for you to enjoy. Just keep in mind that this device is only intended for use indoors. The pros are its easy installation and compact design, it monitors temperature, water leaks, and humidity changes, and it has connectivity to SmartThings Hub. The cons are it does need a subscription to SmartThings Hub to function, and it's intended for indoor use only. The Resideo Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector. Rounding up our list is the Resideo Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector, a simple device that packs a punch when it comes to features. This small water leak detector comes with a 5-foot cable sensor that's capable of detecting water throughout its length. But you can extend this cable sensor for up to 500 feet, especially if you're using it in a utility room, basement, or any other big space that's at risk for water damage. Another great feature of the Resideo Wi-Fi water leak detector is that it doesn't need any additional hub anymore, unlike its competitors. As long as you have an existing Wi-Fi connection, you can download the Resideo app, connect your device to your phone, and you'll be able to receive updates and alerts right away. The Resideo Wi-Fi water leak detector can detect the first signs of excess humidity, freezing, and leaks, so you can address the problem before it gets worse. The app also allows you to control your devices within your phone and ensure that you're always alerted through audible alert sounds if you're at home or messages to your phone if you're away. This will allow you to keep your pipes in good condition and solve leaks before they balloon into a bigger problem. The pros are there's no need for a separate hub, it includes a 5-foot cable sensor, and it's easy to manage and monitor through the Resideo app. The cons? It doesn't have as many features as our top-rated options. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.